Gardening with tea. Tea, both in its brewed form and as tea leaves or bags, can offer several benefits to gardens. 1. Compost addition. Used tea bags or loose tea leaves can be added to compost piles. They decompose relatively quickly and add organic matter as well as trace nutrients to the compost. 2. Fertilizer. Brewed tea, once cooled, can be used as a mild liquid fertilizer. It provides tannic acid, which can slightly acidify the soil, benefiting acid-loving plants like azaleas, rhododendrons, camellias, and ferns. 3. Vermicomposting. Worms in worm bins enjoy tea leaves as a food source. 4. Mulch. Decomposed tea leaves can serve as a mulch layer to retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. 5. Pest control. Some gardeners believe that sprinkling used dry tea leaves around plants can deter pests like rodents and certain insects. 6. Seed germination. Sprinkling tea leaves at the base of plants or where seeds are sown can boost the seed germination rate, owing to the beneficial compounds and nutrients in the tea. 7. Leaf shine. Brewed tea, when cooled, can be used to clean and shine the leaves of indoor plants. 8. Soil improvement. Mixing used tea leaves into soil can improve its structure and water retention capacity. Reduction of green algae. If you have a water feature in your garden, using some tea bags can help reduce the growth of green algae. 10. Rooting hormone. The tannic acid in tea can act as a natural rooting hormone, promoting root growth in cuttings. Soak cuttings in cooled brewed tea or use wet tea bags to cover the base of cuttings to stimulate root development. When using tea in gardening, make sure to remove any staples or non-biodegradable parts of the tea bag if adding to compost or soil. To avoid using teas with added flavors or oils excessively, as they might not be as beneficial as plain teas. To understand that while tea offers some nutrients, it shouldn't replace a balanced fertilizer, especially for nutrient-hungry plants. Thanks for watching and subscribe.